Are you struggling to manage hybrid work life? Then this video is going to help you stay on track, be productive, and maintain a work-life balance. I am Kamal Khurana and I have coached thousands of my friends like you on various issues including work and personal life. To plan your hybrid work life, here's your step number 1. Be disciplined, set schedules, and prioritize your tasks. In hybrid work life, you're not obliged to go to work every day. You can work remotely as well. But still, aren't you at work? Aren't you expected to produce the desired outcomes? Answer is yes. So for that, you need to create that discipline within your own self. If you do not create that boundary for yourself, that I'm at work till this time and I'm at home after this time, nobody else will understand that boundary. You need to assertively say to your family members that I'm at work right now. Otherwise, they will casually give you some household chores. And if you get in that trap of doing those tasks, unless they are urgent, you will not be able to manage effectively. So the discipline starts from within you. It starts from the morning itself. It is normal that you feel like sleeping till late. When you go to your work, you have that set timing when you wake up, when you get ready to go to work, and when you are in your car. Now, just because you do not have to commute to office doesn't mean that it's not your work day. So make it a point that you wake up on time, on the same time the way you go to work. On the other side, when you're done with your day, leave that work. In the greed of meeting your deadlines, if you are working late, you're not disciplining yourself. And then you won't have any argument to say to your family that I give time to family. This way, you'll be meeting your commitments at work and your family as well. So set a consistent time to be at work and to be at home. And this timing has to be set in your mind first. So when that time is over, tell your mind that I'm done with my work day. And also come back home. When I say that, I mean come and tell your family, give them a hug and say, I'm home now. They will respect that boundary. And when you're at home, do those household chores or the things that you do for family with discipline. If you have to take your family outside for some shopping, groceries, whatever, make it a point that you take them there. Also, you need to prioritize your tasks. If there are tasks which require more focus and more attention, make it a point that you do those tasks. Suppose there are some tasks which require you to go to office. Do go to office for those tasks. Don't try to do them at home. Similarly, if you think that there are some tasks which can be done from office and require more focus and attention, schedule those tasks for the days that you're going to office. Similarly, if there are some tasks which you think require certain meetings that can be done on Zoom, schedule those tasks from home. So prioritize these tasks on the basis of their importance and other logistics. Now here comes the step number 2. Set up your home office properly. If you think that you can get the same productivity having your laptop and lying down on your sofa at home, you're mistaken. The productivity that you get at an office table cannot be compared to the productivity you get on your sofa. So it is important to set up that office in your home as well. So for example, if you need an office cabinet to put your files, to put your papers and other documents, the way you do in your office, you need to get a similar kind of a cabinet to put on your office table at home. You need to also put a similar looking office table, if you can, in your home as well. Similarly, if you like having some snacks or drinks at your office that adds to your productivity and gives you a time to relax, try getting the similar drinks and snacks for your home office as well. All of this ambience will make you equally productive. It all depends on how you create that mood the same way that you get that in your office. Of course, you cannot match everything. Your company must have paid so much of money to create that office. But definitely, you can create a comfortable office space for yourself in your home. And here's the step number 3. Stay connected with your co-workers and collaborate. It's quite possible that there will be some days when your co-workers are going to office, but you're working from home on those days. And you will feel isolated on such days. You will feel some disconnection between you and them. So make it a point to chat with them on text or on your office messaging system so that you can keep that team spirit high. It may happen that in the pursuit of finishing some tasks or meeting some deadlines, you are obsessed with your work while you're working remotely and you miss out connecting with your coworkers. And such days will make you feel drained. But that's not the case when you're working from office. In your office, you see your co-workers crossing your office table. You will meet them in the pantry. So you get a chance to talk to them, to interact with them. But while working from home, you completely miss out connecting to them. So instead of texting, if you try making a phone conversation, you'll be able to relate more with them. Even though you're at work, but when you exchange a phone call, it does make a better impact. On the other hand, on days when you go to office, make it a point that you interact with them. For that, you can do lunch together with them or plan up a potluck where you exchange food. And also, frequently go to their desk and talk casually. That will make you bond with them on those days. You can plan up things like celebrating some special days, some special occasions, some festivals, or maybe you guys can take turn to treat each other for a coffee or a salad or lunch. When you meet with them and interact with them, you'll create chances to collaborate. And this way, on days when you're working remotely and working from home, your work will not be draining you. You will be able to create that boundary between work and your personal life. Trust me, when you follow all these things, you will be able to adapt to this new hybrid work life. We at Mind Tigers offer programs where we handhold you and train you on those daily habits where you learn to do the right things every day. So do like this video, subscribe to the channel, and press the notification icon if you want to see more such videos. Till then, good luck!